We have 4 panelists joining us today: Peter Brook from BSA, Julian Heathcote-Hobbits from FAST, Keith Cooperschmid from SIIA, and Vic DeMarines from VI Labs.
The problem that we're trying to address, this probably isn't surprising to most folks, but a 42% global anti-piracy rate, which translates into a $63 billion commercial value. We have historically done this survey annually. We skipped last year because as we were sort of looking through the metrics year over year, we didn't see a heck of a lot of change year over year. So we skipped last year, but we will be releasing our 2013 study next quarter.
Trends, and I was quite shocked actually in relation to these figures. One particular member of ours, I'm not at liberty to name them, but it really showed, if you look at these figures, that internet piracy is still very prevalent, and it is a challenge about how you deal with that or how much resource you throw at it, because simply the question that always comes up is, how do you turn the internet pirate into a paying customer? And often
new procedures that have been implemented to try to protect copyright owners and trademark owners, including software publishers. Okay, and what that means is that registrars now have to take steps where they never used to have to do it before. They now have to take steps to make sure that the information in the WHOIS database, in other words, who owns a website and how to contact that person, is accurate and correct.
When we looked at the data that our customers have generated, and we have about 75 software providers, some of them very large, also some small software providers as well, both in the business-to-business and business-to-consumer software. And it was kind of interesting to see that the trends that we see within consumer electronics, some of the hot products that are coming onto market, certainly mobile devices and the growth of that industry, while the manufacturers, the partners, the developers that are involved in that industry are leveraging pirated software. And we went out and we actually found on one leading mobile device manufacturer, their top suppliers. And these are actually the top suppliers from a global perspective. And we saw that when we compared those suppliers to the data that we've gathered from some of our customers, that 100% of them have been using pirated software. So this is certainly a challenge to the supply chain, and it's not just small organizations, very large organizations that